Hi, good afternoon. This is my oral presentation, English Level 2. First, my personal presentation. 2. Tell about my experience in San Andres Island. 3. The weather in San Andres Island. To end, recommendation if you want to San Andres Island. Now, my personal presentation. This is me. My name is Carlos Andrés Alomía Quintero. I live in Puerto Tejada, Cauca. I'm 31 years old. I studied environmental engineering. I'm married. I have a daughter. My pastimes are go to gym, play soccer, cook, and watch TV. Now my trip experience to San Andres Island. Now presentation my brochure. Vacation in San Andres Island. Now, let's start. Stay 1. My vacation in San Andres Island. Last vacation, I went to San Andres Island. I stayed there one week, and I went with my daughter and my wife. I like it because there are wonderful landscapes. This year has many colors and people are very nice. I just paid $1,000. I like the trip by boat. Walk on the islands. Clean air and paradisiacal sights. I went to Johnny Cay. I love it. I returned 5 months ago because I started working days later. Stage 2. The weather in San Andres Island. In the island of San Andres, the weather is very sunny most of the day. In the morning it is generally windy, but at night it is very good cool. Some recommendations are: Recommendation 1. It is important to wear sunglasses to enjoy landscape. Recommendation 2. It is necessary to use sunscreen to prevent skin burns. Recommendation 3. It is comfortable clothes to go for a walk. Recommendation 4. It is necessary to bring a swimsuit to swim in the sea. Recommendation 5. It is important to wear comfortable shoes to walk the trails and the beach. Recommendation 6. It is important to take a ride on an aquatic motorcycle to get to know the island weather. Recommendation 7. It is a good idea to visit the aquarium to see the aquatic spice on the island. Unfinished recommendation. Recommendation 8. It is very necessary to visit Johnny Cay because its beaches are wonderful. Now, stage 3. What people should do in San Andres Island. If you plan to go to San Andres Island, you should keep in mind the following. 1. You should bring a camera to bring good memories home. 2. You have to wear sunglasses and the hat to enjoy the landscape. 3. You had better have sunscreen to prevent screen damage. Now, what people shouldn't do. Recommendation 1. If you plan a trip to San Andres Island, you should not do the following. 1. You shouldn't enter the sea without shoes. 2. You have not to wear very warm clothes. You had better not drink that water. Finish my presentation. Thank you very much. Goodbye.